I'm scared. Our day might be ruined. The sky is pretty dark right now. Well, this might make or break this video. We're gonna do our favorite things inside. Our favorite indoor attractions.
Perfect thing to do when lightning strikes. So how this works is we're gonna do a thrill ride if we can squeeze it in, our favorite attraction, and then we're gonna try to do something new or something we haven't done in quite a while, so it almost feels brand new.
As often as we come to the parks, this helps us keep things fresh and fun every time. So let's go do it.
First, we're gonna do something new, and that is Storm Force Acceleratron. Everything else is currently delayed because of weather, so this makes for the perfect filler attraction since it's usually a 5-minute wait. All right, let's go.
Are you ready for Storm Force Acceleratron?
Yeah, I've never done it before.
Me neither. It's our first time, so. All right, we just got off the Storm Force Acceleratron. It was pretty fun, actually. I mean, if you get—
I'm pretty dizzy.
If you get dizzy pretty easily, I probably wouldn't go on it, but you know, there's nothing else to do. Go for it. Or if you want to get dizzy, go for it.
It's cool. It's it's got some lights and some wind effects to make you feel like you're inside of the middle of a storm.
Yeah, the sound effects are pretty cool too. Oh yeah.
Yeah. Still, everything else is delayed at the moment. So we're gonna go on Spider-Man or Rocket.
Alright, our next stop is The Amazing Adventures of Spider-Man. It's a posted 20-minute wait right now, even with all the weather delays, so that's pretty good. Let's go check it out.
All right, just got off of Spider-Man. Was like a 15-minute wait.
Yeah, give or take.
Absolute must-do attraction.
Worth the wait.
It is so good. It is so good.
Yeah.
It is the seamless transitions, the effects, the practical sets in the ride. I would say it's on par with Battle at the Ministry, and people will disagree with me on that, but the transitions are just flawless to where you're fully immersed throughout the entirety of the ride. You're never seeing the sets reset or idling or anything like that. It's just so good, and Universal continues to pour love into this attraction, making all the effects work, which some of the other ones, some of the physicals were working again today. That was awesome. Just seeing certain things, oh, I don't remember that working, or oh, that's cool, you know?
I was like, wait, what? No.
The water is definitely working. They cranked up the water on this ride. Both scenes where the water effects happen, it is blasting you.
It's a great way to cool off, honestly.
The AC is always good too.
I think too, like, this ride has been here for a while now, and it's just like, it was ahead of its time, and it's the fact that it's still like relevant to this day is awesome. So yeah.
Yeah. We're gonna wait out the rain and try to do something else in a little bit.
Fingers crossed. Alright, this is the Blackberry Breeze.
It's good. It is a little tart.
It is tart.
I like that. It's kind of like a sweet tart.
Yeah, it kind of reminds me of more raspberry than blackberry, but it's refreshing. Yeah, we're waiting for the rain to stop right now, so we stopped at Confisco Grill and gonna get a quick snack and see what we can do next. Alright, we're about to tackle this rain again.
One ride at a time.
We thought it was downpouring, but turns out it was just the waterfall at Seuss Landing. But yeah, it is still raining. I don't think we're gonna do any outdoor attractions today, but stay tuned. Oh, there's Rip Rocket. Whatever's left of it. We are ready to go in Cat in the Hat. Some people may say this is a thrill ride because of Thing 1 and Thing 2, but other than that, it's really just a chill dark ride. I don't think I've ever seen this queue filled, ever.
This ride has really grown on me. It's become really charming and such a quirky ride, following a classic story of the Dr. Seuss book, The Cat in the Hat.
We just got off of Cat in the Hat, and I just want to show you guys my look. Got to do a 360 here. This is the poncho. It's great. Never thought I'd have to buy a poncho, but yeah. This is the Lost Continent. This formerly was Poseidon's Fury, and it's been closed for about 2 years now. Universal announced that they're going to do something with this land. We're not entirely sure yet, but we'll keep you posted. We do know that Velocicoaster and Hulk are testing or running. I did see people on it, so I want to try to get a rain ride. What would you rather do? Get a rain ride on Hulk or a rain ride on Velocicoaster? Let us know in the comments. Alright, we're about to head on to Velocicoaster. Finally stopped raining, and yeah, are you excited?
The ponchos are off.
Yeah, the ponchos are off. I'm excited.
It's a 25-minute wait at the moment, but it'll probably go up since it stopped raining, and everyone's going to try to get their rides in. 'Cause it might go down again. Who knows? It might rain. It's Florida weather. You never know.
I mean, we have about an hour and a half till the park closes, so everyone's trying to get their rides in.
All right, scratch that. Velocicoaster went up to a 45, so we're going to try to do a couple more things. First, we're going to go on River Adventure. Sorry, I hit you with my hat.
No, it's okay. Yeah, we're going on River Adventure because it's going on a lengthy refurbishment next year, all the way from January to November in 2026. So if you're planning a trip to Universal, be advised that it's probably going to be closed for refurbishment. So yeah, we're going to check it out and maybe close the night out with Hagrid's. Alrighty, we just got off of Jurassic Park River Adventure. It's always a classic. I think it's always a must-do. If you can, try to do it at night.
It's really good at night. Oh! Alright, I'm good. I'm just playing. It didn't hit me at all. It's the perfect amount of, like, wet ride. You get a little bit of a mist. Just now I felt that. And, yeah, it was a 5-minute wait, so it's a really easy attraction to get on. So definitely do it at night if you can, though.
Yeah. Alrighty, now we're off to...
Who knows what?
Who knows? Alrighty, we're just chilling out at Camp Jurassic for right now, and then we're gonna hop in line for Hagrid's Magical Creatures Motorbike Adventure. Yeah, we're gonna hop on that and close out the night. And there's Pteranodon Flyers. I've always wanted to go on that. You have to ride with a kid, with a child. So that's the reason why I have not, and I didn't come to Universal when I was a kid, so. There is one way, technically, if you go to the Orlando Informer meetup. It's an after-hours event, and that's really cool. You can put your name in a raffle. Oh! And if you win, you get to ride. Oh, yeah. Alright, we are in the Forbidden Forest. Hagrid's Magical Creatures Motorbike Adventure is posted 80-minute wait right now. So, started the timer and we're ready to go. It's so pretty at nighttime like this. Looking at the castle. It's been about 14 minutes. Alrighty, we got off of Hagrid's and our mic died, but we waited 45 minutes. I think it's always worth the wait. It's a great attraction. What do you think?
It's a top tier attraction. It's amazing. It's for everybody. It competes with the stuff at Epic Universe. It's just, considering how old this ride is at this point now, and it still competes with the new technology, that just says, that speaks volumes at how good this attraction is. And it's always worth the wait, even if it's an hour, 2 hours, 3 hours. Maybe not 3 hours. I don't know. I've never waited 3 hours for Hagrid's. The first time we went on it was a 2 hour wait.
We didn't think it was going to rain today. Of course, we don't bring a jacket. We don't bring an umbrella. And hey, we had to go buy some ponchos. We had to make the best out of it. If we didn't buy one, we'd be stuck in the gift shop for like 20, 30 minutes. And
yeah, we would have been stuck at Spider-Man. We wouldn't have gotten too much else done. I mean, it did eventually lighten up, and that's kind of what I wanted to talk about is sometimes the rain just blows over in an hour. Sometimes it's like 3 hours. But if you can stick it out, the wait times are just so much shorter across the park because most people just give up and leave for the day, especially the locals. They'll just say, I can come back another time. And so if you're on your vacation, if you stick it out for just a little bit, an hour, maybe 2 hours, that last hour of the park, it's going to be pretty dead and you're just going to get on all the rides.
Yeah, I can agree with that. Make sure to be patient. Make sure to make the best out of it, and it's just going to work out. There's always something to do, and yeah. But yeah, if you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.